adjourned, and it has been fixed for Tuesday, that is the 22nd, for the 22nd at 4 p.m. There was an inspection that was carried out by the GCZMA along with the land survey and the deputy and the collector, a copy of which report has not been given to us. So we have requested the GCZMA to provide us with a copy of the report, and that will be forming a basis of our submissions to be held on Tuesday. The arguments, basically what has happened is the GCZMA has sought an extension of a period of 6 weeks, which was granted by the Honorable High Court, and the matter has been taken up in pursuance thereto now. So the GCZMA has taken up this matter for its final conclusion on the basis of a show cause report, show cause notice that was issued on the 28th of April. So, yes.
Kashinath Shetty and others are intervened in this case, and we have filed our submission today and told the Honorable GCZMA in the submission to withdraw all the licenses given to the Fomento group. Demolish the wall, and the issue is over. If not, under Section 26, we would approach the NGT in violation of the NGT order of 2015, 17 and 19. So on Tuesday we will see what is happening, because we don't want to prolong this matter. This matter should come to an end. The simple is they have built an illegal wall and the wall has to be demolished. It is in the interest of the people of Goa and people all over the world.
And CRZ should not give permission because they are not cooperating at the moment, because that is the order. You cannot violate the order.
Essentially, there were only 2 complainants in the start to begin with. Thereafter, there have been many complaints by many people who are interested in protecting and preserving the environment. So there are complaints that have been presented by email, written to the GCZMA to expedite and to decide this matter. In fact, even Goa Foundation, Mr. Alvarez of Goa Foundation has come into the matter. He has made a complaint to the GCZMA to determine this matter because it affects the Vaingini beach, which is almost like one of the only beaches that is available for the city of Panjim, or rather one of the nearer beaches that is available for the city of Panjim, on which Fomentos or rather Siddharth Goa has constructed a wall on the beach in absolute violation of every law that is conceivable within the high tide line.
So which fronts the violation is taken place that you are contesting?
See, violation is basically you have the CRZ rules. So in violation of the CRZ rules, all the building regulations, any law conceivable, Siddharth Goa has gone and it has constructed a wall on the beach, on the Vaingini beach.
See, in state of Goa, you cannot build anything within 100 meters. That is an NGT order from 2008.
This wall is within the high tide line. In fact, if you all have the occasion to visit the site, you all will see how the tides actually, the waves break on the wall. It is a concrete wall. And CRZ or no authority grants permission for any cement structure on the beach. And this is a cement structure on the beach.
So the official have that said this wall is in their compound, in their property.
See, that's a claim. That's an allegation. That will be settled by a report. Now, what has happened is that the GCZMA, unfortunately, there are contradictory reports of the authority itself. There was an inspection that was conducted on the 20th of April. There was an inspection again on the 23rd of April. Both the reports are contradictory. Now, we have filed a complaint with the GCZMA. Hopefully, they should address our complaint, take up the matter, and determine why its expert members have given it a contradictory report, which is something which should not have happened in the first place. But nevertheless, thereafter, now on the 28th of June, there has been a 3rd inspection, which is very unusual, but there has been a 3rd inspection, which report has been furnished by the ISLR to determine all the necessary issues, which is presented before the GCZMA, which of course we do not have a copy as on date, so we've asked for it.
What is very important, I'm the president of Vaingini Valley Residents Association. The show cause notice that is there has to be taken up in its full entirety, whereby there are recommendations made and a conclusion has come to by their own experts saying that this wall has to be demolished. This is what is there in their own show cause notice by their own experts, and they don't want to go forward by deciding about it. So this is very, very funny. It has taken too long a period. It was delayed in the small causes court. In the district court, it was further delayed by the GCZMA, and now is being further delayed by court cases. So we need to come to a conclusive end to this, and the show cause notice is what they have issued, and they should go by that show cause. That's all.
Thank you.
Well, this is a simple wall which has been constructed on a public beach. So in a certain sense, it's a reflection of the quality of functioning of the GCZ. I mean, you are not able to take a decision because the person who has put up the wall, the organization that has put up the wall, is a very influential person in the city of Panji. And last time there was a Supreme Court order for demolition of part of the hotel. These parties were able to get the entire Goa Assembly to pass a law amending the Land Acquisition Act from 1894 in order to save the hotel. So today we are speaking about a small wall which is there on the beach. So you can imagine the amount of pressure that is being put on public bodies to ensure that this wall is not removed. Though in theory, in law, in every possible way, it is not possible to put a wall on a beach. Nobody can give a permission for a wall on the beach. That is the issue. So if you cannot give a permission and if it is a violation, please remove it. But the GCZMA is unable to remove a wall. Now after 4 months, a simple wall, 4 months, which can be removed in 1 day with one JCB there at the site. So I do not know what is the reason why this is continuously being delayed, but I hope that now with the hearing on Tuesday, this matter will be resolved, the GCZMA will come to a finding and the wall will be removed.
Thank you.